All right, morning everyone. Welcome to another episode of Trading Bitcoin with your host Vays, coming to you live from beautiful Mexico over in Baja, where we are here for the front 2 days of the standard Bitcoin conference organized by Ugly Old Goat. I got Giacomo's workshop coming up in about 40 minutes. Wanted to do the stream a lot earlier, wanted to do a Q&A, but unfortunately, I don't know, Google, YouTube messed something up, but I didn't have access to any of my videos this morning, my channel. So I was dealing with that for like the last hour and a half, but it looks like everything is back. Probably just a bug on their side. And this morning, I am joined by Knut from Sweden.
Yeah.
Right? Excellent. He's here as well. We're having coffee this morning, so thought I'd give him a shout out. He's going to be speaking here as well. And before I go on with the little quick price analysis, why don't you introduce yourself to my audience?
Yeah, I'm Knut Svanholm. I'm an author these days. I wrote two books on Bitcoin, Bitcoin Sovereignty Through Mathematics and Bitcoin Independence Reimagined. And I write articles for various magazines, publications, and we turned a bunch of those articles into short little animated videos.
Yeah, you got it right here.
Yeah.
This is the channel. It's
Joni Appelberg. He's the animator, and Guy Swan reads them, and I write the material.
Oh, excellent! So
Joni has a lot of other good content as well. So
yeah, we like Guy Swan.
Yeah.
Philo Shitcoin Minimalist right here. We're gonna have some good time over on the panels. You guys I'll throw these links in the video description below here. We'll probably do some more content. Giacomo's here, Jimmy Song is here, Bitcoin Mechanics here. We got a lot of really good guys here. We're gonna try and do a panel. I'll try to stream some of it. The guy with like the least amount of tech skills. But hopefully if the audio is working right now, if the video is working, we're kind of in the sun, so it's hard to read the live chat, but looks like everything is working and functioning. Only have like 160 live viewers. I don't know, something is off with YouTube this morning. I don't know what it is, but anyway, anything else you want to say about Bitcoin? What are your general views on it? How do you what do you see in the future? And then I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the price, but we'll do some more content here. You wanted to interview me as well for a channel, correct? Or for an article?
Maybe I do.
Okay. I thought we were gonna do some content. Oh, you were gonna come on my channel. That's what it was on our conversations about a few months ago. That's what it was. Okay.
It's nothing special. Well, your channel is something special. But,
oh, thank you.
Anyway.
Oh yeah. Like, when did you run across my work?
Well, we met briefly in Riga.
In Riga,
2019. Yep. And yeah, I think I knew you from before that as well.
Oh, excellent.
Yeah. So, well.
Yeah, I'm not sure when Riga's coming back. Yeah, I'm trying to. Any interest in coming to Dubai? I need to decide on this event. This website will probably change later today. The dates are going to be 14, 15. I'll probably take a risk. It's a huge risk, actually. Like the costs of this event are astronomical. So we'll see how much money I lose on this. If I lose a lot of money, it'd be unfortunate. It may take me back for another year to do another event. We'll see.
Yeah, definitely interested in the Dubai thing.
Okay.
General views on Bitcoin, like the latest thing I came up with to describe it to people, especially to noobs, is it's just an agreement. It's an agreement between us Bitcoiners that these rules are fair. And these are the rules we're playing by. So Bitcoin is really nothing but an agreement. And how do you stop people from agreeing on something? It's like that's like the basis of the unstoppable nature of this thing. And I like that.
Well, they're trying to stop it over with U.S. legislation, which is that's what I tell people. It's not going to matter. Like if regulation can kill Bitcoin, then I've wasted 7 years of my life. Like the whole reason why I'm here is that the regulation does not matter. If it did, I would never have quit my high-paying Wall Street job to take abuse from YouTube and Twitter trolls telling me how bad my ability to run to do tech is.
One more thing, we're trying to make a new official Bitcoin tradition. The 21st of August is, we're trying to make that the official Bitcoin Infinity Day from the everything divided by 21 million meme. You know, 821 is almost the same as infinity divided by 21. So the 21st
I
of
see
August,
it.
we need to make it into some kind of tradition.
Oh, that's
Question is,
neat.
question is what do you do on the
Oh,
Bitcoin
that's
Infinity
cool.
Day? We need to figure something out.
That's
And
a good day. I've
yeah.
been slacking. I used to do these massive streams. I should have done one for like the fork wars. I forgot that I already forgot that that was on, August 1st is like the fork day when Bcash decided to be stupid.
August
yeah.
is a good month.
And then
for
like
Bitcoin.
August 17th is when SegWit
Yeah.
officially got in. Like a lot of things happen in August. And
Yeah.
look, we're going back up to new all-time highs this August. August is a good month. Very good month.
So remember the dates, 21st of August, Bitcoin Infinity Day.
Yeah, remind me, we'll do something for well, it's coming up this August, isn't it? Where am I on the 21st? I'm in Miami on the 21st.
All right.
Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna talk to my graphic designer. Maybe we'll do some cool logos.
Yeah, you have that's the logo there for the video.
Yeah, and
the
eventually you might do
equation.
like some kind of an event,
Yeah.
like another conference. Like I need another conference.
Yeah.
But yeah, that sounds great. That's
21st of
awesome.
August.
Yeah,
Save the date.
821. Yeah, that's really cool. I really like that idea.
Yep.
All right, cool. And what do you want to name it?
Bitcoin Infinity Day.
Nice.
I like the sound of that.
Yeah, that's awesome.
I mean, the equation is mathematically worthless. Infinity divided by something.
1 second.
But it's still the message is still important. It's a reflection of the fact that Bitcoin has no upper limits to its purchasing power, no theoretical roof, if you will.
Yeah, no, that's great. All right, we'll do some more content, guys. Check out the books. They're right here. You got a bunch of offers here. Jimmy's here as well, and the YouTube channel and the little videos. Okay, now let's talk a little bit of price. If I can see the screen and all the sun, and I'll do my best. And then head over to Giacomo's workshop. The weekly candle remains fairly strong. We are holding above the short period moving average, which is the intermediate period moving average on a weekly chart, which is the 20 period moving average. The 20 is sometimes the short period moving average, depends on what kind of chart you are looking at. On my daily chart, I am using 50, 128, and 200. So being fully above that moving average is very good. The more we hold, that gives this moving average a chance to recover and start trending to the upside, which is the only thing that is missing. Because in a couple of weeks, the short period moving average, which is the 7, will go ahead and cross it. The weekly chart is now fully bullish, and I remain a bull on this weekly chart. It's almost 100% bullish. Let's look at the daily chart. Haven't looked at the funding rate in a while. The funding rate is still very depressed and is slightly favoring the bullish case, which is great. We have the RSI is a little overbought. The MACD is looking very good. The CMF's looking great. Everything is looking good. We are pulling back a little bit this morning. We are back down to 45,000, but hey, we made a new swing high within the last 24 hours. Why is my camera like this? No, it's
prefers me.
Yeah.
For some reason.
No, it does, because it's like an AI camera.
Yeah.
So it does do that.
Will it help if I move?
Maybe I can move it myself. There. And then
no, it turned again.
Wait. I have to unlock that. Okay, let's try this again. There you go. That should be better.
Feels like surveillance.
Yeah. So, okay, now we'll do it on the camera. So we are pulling back this morning, but we did make a new swing high within the last 12 hours or so, because this candle is about halfway in. So we can look at it on a lower level time frame. When do we make a swing high? We made a swing high at 8 p.m. last night, just before 8 p.m. last night, New York time. We were probably playing poker here in Mexico. We are near Ensenada, Mexico, where I'll be for the next 4 or 5 days. And just a little pullback here. I don't think there's anything that much concerning. That's the 4-hour chart. Here's the 1-hour chart. We're just consolidating. I'm not really concerned much right now. Just the hourly chart, and it's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. Few more days, we will hit an MRI sell, which potentially could lead to some pullback. We'll keep an eye on this and bring you another stream tomorrow. I'll glance at traditional markets. Gold is having a hell of a time. We're talking about gold somewhere, maybe on Clubhouse or something. Gold will be losing its monetary premium because of Bitcoin. Gold is no longer needed as money, but it's a nice shiny metal to have on your wrist or in your teeth or earrings or anything else. And this is oil. Oil's at a double low. I'd stay away from oil as well. I'd wait a little bit. The monthly MRI sell is over. We're now in August. So I would hold a little bit, but it looks like oil wants to go higher with inflation. The S&P 500 is bullish. The daily chart just gave us a new swing high. The weekly chart is going higher. I'd hold off a little tiny bit, maybe another day or so. You just want to let this weekly MRI top kind of work itself out. But it looks like on a monthly scale, we have several more months of upside before an MRI top there. The dollar is once again rising to the upside because other currencies are pretty much worse. And it's been very challenging for the US to implement a vaccine mandate and a vaccine passport. Europe doesn't seem to have a problem. The French are walking around, checking your papers when you're out having a cup of coffee. It's really incredible what's going on over in Europe. I don't know. I don't know if I may or may not go back to Europe. I know I have some business there to deal with in Malta, but the whole quarantine stuff is making it a big problem. So we'll see. We'll see where it all goes from here. I'm still dragging my feet on this. I need to make sure that I can pull off an amazing event so that no one is disappointed. And either today, if tickets aren't on sale this week, I'm gonna have to just cancel it. If the tickets do go on sale, the date becomes 14 and 15 due to regulation and venue and COVID. COVID is what's really another big problem. While Dubai is probably okay, people don't want to quarantine back in their home countries after attending, so that's an issue. But the financial summit does go on. This is a much smaller event. It's in a different area. So the financial summit is definitely a go. So please join us in Dubai for that. I am here in Mexico for the Bitcoin Standard Conference, and it's time to go and attend Giacomo's workshop, which starts in a few minutes. All right, that's it for me. I'm gonna one more time show this is Nude. This is their YouTube channel of short videos of his books. He's sitting right here next to me. I'll throw these in the video description right after the video. And we're gonna go ahead and say goodbye to you guys. Sorry, I couldn't do a private Q&A this morning. Ran into a bit of an issue with YouTube, not letting me access my own videos for several hours this morning. All right, ready for the conference?
Yeah, I am.
Perfect. All right, guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and see you all on the next one. Bye, guys.